1, 2, 3, 4.
Hello and welcome everybody. You probably know what we're going to be unboxing today if you've read the title. So I just got home today with my meat mincer. I'm going to be unboxing it here with you guys. Guys, this is a product by Cooks Professional. It's a meat mincer and a sausage maker. So it's a very affordable machine for those of you who want to get into sausage making yourselves. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. It looks quite nice. So there's a reverse function in case of jamming or if you put too much meat in the grinder head. So this is the grinder head. This is where the meat will be going down. You can see the worm spool down there that will be feeding the meat to the cutter blade. Well, you get the idea. So let's figure this one out. Alright, press this button here. Yeah, there we go. So to detach the head, you're going to press the same button. Just tilt the head slightly and pull it away. Bring it back, same thing. Line it up. Press the button and just give it a twist. So let's see what we all got here. This is a meat pusher. These are different size cutting plates. So there's a fine one and a coarse one. I'm so excited, guys. Don't forget the top meat tray. Put that on there. And then the sausage attachment. This is what I'm interested in, is making sausages. Oh, and in here we've got another cutting plate and the blade. It's actually in here, so this is like a medium one in between the two other ones that you get in. So this is where it gets quite interesting, guys. So you put your casing over here, over the nozzle, and then here on the top, all your meat goes in there, or some fat or whatever you want to put in with your meat. And a meat pusher you just use to put all your meat there and push it down into the grinder. That's nice, really nice. Here you can see we've got the off button, the on button and a reverse function. So let's turn it on. Yeah. Thank you very much for watching. Please like this video, leave a comment and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell for updates on new videos. You can also follow me on social media platforms. The links are all in the description down below.